my god. He's after that glide. Chop it on the top of the water. There he is. Yeah. Oh my days, that was a good fish. That is crazy. I'm gonna head downstream and see what else I can catch. Looks like there's a perfect little spot to stand and fish right here. This is not far at all from where do that right in the middle. Do the standard tic-tac action. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Hey, that really looked like a big fish. I don't know. There he is. Holy cow. Holy crow. As you can see on that glide bait. Glide. Right there. That glide bait. Nice pike here. Holy smokes. First one of the day on that glide bait. Let's keep moving and see what else we can get. There he is. No. Here again. I just gotta go super slow, let it sink for a sec. There he is. Yep. Oh my god, I got a carp. I got a carp. Oh my god. I don't even want to touch this thing. Holy cow, guys. Smoke that glide bait. Holy cow. There he is. Yep, good pike. Good pike. Beautiful pike on that glide. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for coming. I hope you enjoyed fishing with this glide bait right here. If you like this video, subscribe for more. I'm going to be posting a ton more this summer now that the fishing season is starting to pick up. And I'll see you guys next time.